Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chantel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out this brow lamination kit I got from Amazon. It's the Mia brow lamination kit. I've never done this before, and to be honest, I'm freaking out. So if you're interested in seeing how this goes, please keep watching. I'm going to go ahead and open the box. I'm just going to slice the plastic off. So after you open up the box, the first thing you see inside is this little card. It says, "Read me, I'm important." So I'm going to go ahead and trust that that's the truth. It just says if you're a first-time user to perform a test patch, which is actually very smart advice. It says not to use the product on damaged or open skin, and not to perform a brow lamination on clients who are using retinol, retin A, benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, Accutane, Proactive, AHA, or BHA. I am using acne medication, but we're gonna continue anyways. Then there's also this little thing inside. This is the instruction, so it just has all the instructions on the back. And this is what the kit looks like. Ooh. This is the adhesive. This is the lifting, setting, nutrition, cleanser, and treatment tools. So let's open the treatment tools. Oh. So by treatment tools, they just mean like a bunch of spoolies and little like sponges and stuff. Step 1. Use the cleanser to remove oil, dirt, and makeup residue on the eyebrows. For sensitive skin, apply Vaseline to the outside of the treated area to protect it from the lotion. We're gonna go ahead and take the cleanser out of our kit. The bottle is sealed with a plastic lid, like a little plastic insert. So you have to take that out. And then I'm gonna put a little on the makeup wipe. Step number 2, apply a thin layer of adhesive onto the eyebrows. Comb the brows onto the skin in the direction and shape you desire using a Y brush or a mascara brush. We're just taking out the spoolie, or as they call it, a Y brush. And I'm now going to be taking out the adhesive. It smells like glue, which it should. So I'm just gonna put it on the brows first, like in the direction they already go in, and then I'll brush them up after. And it said to put a thin layer, so I'm trying to keep it thin, but I also don't want it to be too thin, and then I miss some places and end up with like a bad result. Now I'm going to take my Y brush and just brush it in the shape I want. I don't even know what shape I want. Do I want them directly up? Do I want them kind of to the side? Let's see. And like, this is probably a given, but